Come on, lads. Yeah. Look at that. I got it. Alright. 520D. 177 horsepower, lads. Let's go for it. Diesel, lads. Still recording down? Yes, alright. Longer this recording. Have a look at these high beams, guys. Ooh, very bright. Ooh, why is the engine braking so heavy? There you are. So this is a 6-speed, I believe. Take on some nice roads for you, lads. Pretty smooth drive. These tyres are shit that I have. As you can hear, it doesn't make much noise. It's quite a quiet car compared to my last car. My last car was very loud. This car doesn't make any noise. Done 80 miles already on one tank and 540 mile range left, so you're looking about 620 miles on a full tank, which is not bad. Let's take on some nice roads, guys, for you guys. Whoa. This is a very heavy car, by the way, so you need to be aware of that. You can't take corners very fast in this car. That's the only thing. Oh, like right now. Fuck you now. That's just doing 30, guys. This car struggles in the corners. M Sport, you'll have a. This is a normal spec, so if you have an M Sport, it'll be better cornering. Not much better, but slightly better because the suspension is lower. It's more sporty, so you'll have a better, just better everything really. But yeah, it's alright. It's not terrible, guys. So this is a nice fast road you can drive down. Very good. Barely any noise in the car. It's crazy, isn't it? Just cruising along. That's the one benefit of this car. It's a Ninja. Bloody hell. You want to stop braking down here, especially if you're in the fat car like this. There you go. Wow. Speed back up. This is a rear-wheel drive car, so you will drift if you try take this bend too quick, and most likely you will lose grip because these tyres are shit. I prefer Michelin tyres, but this has a good years on, and not even a good one, just like a shit spec one. So yeah, it's not the best tyres, but it is what it is, guys. Fucking hoops. Let the car cool down a bit. Oh, fucking potholes everywhere. Every fucking road there's a pothole everywhere. These roads are fucking shit. Look at this, another one. Constantly hitting these. No way to avoid them. Right, we'll do a bit of a motorway drive. What the fuck? I thought he was gonna go then. This is a bit of a narrow road. Should be alright. People will give you way. These high beams, guys. Crazy high beams. Come through, you bastard. Oh, there's plenty of room anyway. It's got a good pickup to the car, even though it's heavy. I've not yet fully put my foot down yet because these roads are shit, and I don't trust these tyres that much to be able to do that. So until I got some proper tyres on this, because this has less grip than my other old car. Because this is a this one is a 2-wheel drive, whereas the last one was 4-wheel drive. Oh yeah, it's still got the heavy power that you need. Ooh, look at that. And your indicators still work on this car. Look, guys. BMWs have indicators. I just figured it out, guys. Go on the motorway, lads. Look at the road is quiet today at this time, which is nice. Sometimes it's fucking packed. Right. Ah, you bastard! I'll foot down a bit for you guys. Picks up speed very quickly. I'm not putting my foot all the way down just because, like I said, I don't trust it. These tyres are shit. Look, cruise control, control it like that. It's pretty cool, isn't it, guys? Hopefully you can see properly. Hopefully you can see, yeah. It's very dark at the moment. Yes, it's a family car, it's a nice car. It's got power, it's got plenty of power. You can always remap it. Remap will give you 200, well, depends. If you get a power remap, you can get up to 230 horsepower. If you get an economy remap, you can get around 205 horsepower, which is perfect, I think. I reckon the economy one's better, because these cars have problematic injectors if you push them too hard. So yeah. The brakes on this car is not the best. Oh yeah, he's a fat ass car, that's why. That's what we have to remember. Wow, the road's actually very quiet today. The weather's 1.5 degrees, so it's gonna get cold, icy. So yeah, it's not looking good. Take you on some A roads, B roads, C roads, K roads. Come on, lads. Sometimes the engine just feels heavy, crazy heavy. That road closed. Let's have a look, guys. before, I think. Anything? Nope. Very nice, very juicy. Oh yeah, I need some new tyres. These tyres are shit. These roads are absolute shit. Everywhere you go, pothole, pothole, pothole.
Still for
Eh?
Still for
Yeah, the time running though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. It's the new happiness shit. What time we on now?
11.
No. Yeah, this is quite a good car, as you can see. It's more of a family car rather than a sports car. If you want a sports car, go for a 530D or a 535D. I recommend the LCI version. So LCI is anything above 2008. Get one of them with a 535 version, either 530D or 535D, because that will give you the same miles per gallon as a old 520D basically. So it works out kind of. Thank you, boss. I don't know why I waited here. Plenty of room. Yeah, it is what it is, guys. Let's go for a cruiser. Anybody coming? Nope, thank you so much. Yeah, the car's got some good pull to it. Come on lads, come on lads. Sports mode in this car is useless because you have no torque above 2,500 RPM anyway, because it's a diesel. That's one thing I learned, because I did sports mode, put my foot down, I was thinking it's better to actually let it go down a gear, up a gear I mean, and reload it into 2.5 again, and then up another gear, 2.5, up another gear. All your torque's around 2,500, 2,000 to 2,500. So that's where in petrol you're much higher, you're looking about 4,000 to 6,000 in between there. With diesels, all your power's in the bottom end. That's the one difference in diesel and petrols. That's why you don't really need to put your foot down much to get the same amount of takeoff power and stuff, which is pretty good, I would say, guys. That's why it saves you fuel as well. Now, this car is sick on fuel. Like on my last car, I could barely get 280 miles out of it, 260, 240, something like that. It's roughly around that amount for full tank. Same price. Here I'm getting 600 miles, triple the amount of miles, guys. And this is an older 2-litre diesel. Imagine the newer 2-litre diesel, they're more efficient, which is crazy, isn't it? This only gets about 40 miles per gallon. The newer ones get about 50 to 60 miles per gallon. So imagine how good they are. But yeah, that's how my budget at the moment. So this is perfect for me anyway. This is what I wanted, but I wanted the M Sport version. Yeah, it is what it is. Took you for a cruiser. These roads are fucked. Alright lad. Both lanes go straight up. Yeah, brakes are shit.
This has it.
Yeah,
It's so dark.
do you not recognize it?
Why is it so dark?
Because it's night time, because that's because the Christmas lights off in it. Oh, is this the cobbled road? This is it. Oh no, where are the cobbles? So look here lads, cobblestones. Watch my steering wheel. Can you see? Wow. Come on, lad. Come on, lad. Thank you so much. Car, guys, look, take any bends you need. I wouldn't recommend taking bends fast though. I'd say max 30-34 miles per gallon, 34 miles per hour. Okay, look how dark that is now. Yeah, these roads are fucked. Potholes on these roads are crazy, guys. That's just a drainage, guys. This isn't the road I'd normally take you guys on. I'd normally drive the Blackburn road with all the hills, all the rounds, you know. But that road, the road collapsed. So yeah, can't use that road for another year now, which is sad because that was one of the main routes. It was a really good road to drive on. Let the speed down, there you go. Cruise along. My lights off, see what they look like. Wow. These are the high beams, very bright, aren't they? Look at the fuck box there. Look at the pocket, guys. What the fuck is that? One's just chilling, parked up in the middle of the road. Fucking hell, some stones in my screen. Yeah, look at that view, guys.